Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are set. Node and Chrome are the right versions, and Lighthouse is up to date. Run a quick baseline audit now so you have measurable data to improve. This prevents chasing phantom errors. Once done, make sure DevTools throttling is enabled and extensions are off, because inconsistent CPU or network can skew scores. Record 3 runs each for desktop and mobile, so you can average results and spot outliers before you change anything. You next diagnose the middle of the process. Identify the largest regressions in performance, accessibility, and SEO, and rank them by user impact. Tackle resource problems first, compress images, enable caching headers, and defer non-critical scripts, because they usually yield the biggest gains. Once you apply each fix, run a targeted Lighthouse audit to validate changes. This way you know why a score moved. If a fix reduces load but hurts accessibility, adjust focus and repeat the test. You finish by stabilizing improvements. Add Lighthouse checks to CI and set performance budgets so regressions are prevented. Document every change and compare lab scores to real user metrics to catch differences caused by network or device variance. If a score unexpectedly drops, rerun your original baseline and isolate the recent change. Revert or tweak it until the metric recovers. One key troubleshooting tip: if results vary widely, test on a clean profile and consistent network to rule out environment noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.